Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Digital Tools to Achieve More workshop. I'm Emily Evangelista, Global Vice President of Digital Technology. Nu Skin is all about giving our customers amazing experiences with incredible products. Our beauty and wellness solutions truly can improve lives. And it's this absolute love and trust of what we're offering that makes running your own Nu Skin business so exciting. But in order to confidently share your love of the products and discover the best you need to be able to seamlessly run your business. And that's where our exclusive digital tools come in. Our top priority in technology is developing these pivotal tools, all so that you can focus on doing what you do best, sharing your story and selling Nu Skin's unbeatable products. Day by day, we are rolling out new digital innovations that help make running your business smoother. Let's take a look. First off is our robust and ever-evolving Volumes and Genealogy website. It does so much, it's hard for me to decide where to start. In short, this one site is where you, our brand affiliates, can look at and manage all your Nu Skin business details. From compensation to account management, building block tracking to success trip qualification, Volumes and Genealogy features the most raw data of any of our digital tools to help you run your business. But what if you want to learn more about how to effectively use all this incredible data? Or hear about Nu Skin's amazing culture? Or dive deep into our proprietary science and industry-leading opportunity? Well, that's why we've built our simple and intuitive Learning Center. The Learning Center is a robust educational library currently available in most markets where you can find all sorts of important information about Nu Skin. You start with some simple introductory lessons that help you and your brand affiliates get acclimated to the business. Then you can choose what additional lessons you feel will be important for your growth and development. We have learning tracks that cover everything from social selling, product info, to compliance guidelines, and even step-by-step walkthroughs of the Velocity Sales Performance Plan, so you can easily become a Nu Skin pro. Plus, we're always developing new content to help you and your business thrive. Which brings us to our two powerful customer-facing tools, My Site and Product Offer. Our goal is to help you attract, connect, and nurture your customers through their beauty and wellness journey. These tools work together to help you attract customers and connect them to your personalized brand story while promoting the specific products you love. With My Site, you can quickly and easily create a customized digital product storefront. From there, you can direct customers to see what products you recommend and build your brand to fit your specific business strategy. It's perfect for when you want to promote multiple products at the same time and really set yourself up as a Nu Skin product expert by introducing existing customers to more of Nu Skin's product portfolio. Product Offer, on the other hand, is perfect for when you want to promote just one product or bundle. It allows you to create a focused product purchase link, like for Nutricentials Do All Day, which you can then easily share via text or on social media. It's a simpler, more streamlined experience, so it's a great first step for new customers. In fact, we've even embedded these experiences directly into the social landscape so that as you engage with customers, they never have to leave their social platform, like Instagram or WeChat. From signing up to signing in, product exploration to shopping, it can all be done directly from social. This is what's called social commerce. And it's vital because customers want the fastest way to check out without being pulled away from what they're doing. Speaking of improved experiences, we've also enhanced our sign-up experience for new customers to help streamline their introduction to Nu Skin. And thanks to this, we're able to simplify the sign-up experience from 21 fields down to less than 10. And we're seeing significant improvements in sign-up success rates in markets where this new experience has rolled out. Let's not forget the work we're also doing on our checkout experience, where we are adding new payment options so that you can reach an even broader audience. Guest checkout and express checkout are also rolling out now in select markets. All this ties in with your requests and business needs. We've heard you loud and clear. And that's why we also know that you want to be able to run your business from the palm of your hand. That's what the My New Skin app is all about. My New Skin was our first attempt to create a central hub from which our brand affiliates could more easily run their businesses. It was an iterative process, but My New Skin now features a wide range of functionality from all of our digital tools, including V&G, the Learning Center, and Product Offer. All in a single app you can access anywhere, anytime. The lessons learned from the My New Skin app are also informing teams across the business as we continue to evolve and innovate our digital tools. Each of our tools fills a specific need and request you've had to help you grow and build your business. But they've also given you a blueprint from which you can provide even more detailed and focused feedback about how we can further shape and polish these powerful tools. We have entire teams who are dedicated to listening, innovating, and developing new updates and releases to help meet your needs. Because we want to give you the best digital tools possible to help you grow your business. Even as we speak, our team of Nu Skin digital technology experts is working on new game-changing digital innovations. So don't hesitate to reach out and let us know what you need to help your business succeed. Thank you so much for joining me today and learning a bit more about all the digital tools Nu Skin has available for brand affiliates like you. I hope you're as excited as I am about all we've shown and the incredible digital future we have planned to help empower you.